Okay, so I should have done this when the whole lock fell apart on me in the last video, but all I seen was the whole lock fall apart on me because I'm an idiot. I had to progressively pin this so the back was taken off without the clip on it. So when I went to pull the tension tool out of the core, it pulled everything out and it all just fell apart. Yeah, I mean, it's in the video. You can hear it hitting the table. But I figured, well, since I have to put it back together, since it's already apart, I can at least give you a quick, show you what's on the inside of this thing real quick and what I was fighting with. Alright, so let me see if I can get in there. Alright, so on one, we had a spool and anti-drill standard pin. Number two is a mushroom key pin and an anti-drill standard pin. Then we have another spool, standard, a barrel pin with a mushroom, a serrated barrel pin with a mushroom, and a standard with a standard. And what makes this lock so hard to get into is how far up you have to push this spool. The binding order was low on 5, pretty low on 6, 2, 6, 3, 4, 1, and then when you get 1 in there, 4 drops back down and 6 drops back down, so you have to go in and it's another juggling act, and all the Abises are pretty much juggling acts, especially when they set these first pins as high as they do. This lock right here, let me see, this lock took me a month to get into with progressively pinning it, and I did finally get it on video. But I've heard people refer to these as fun locks to pick. They're challenging locks to pick. I figure if you can get through this, you might be gaining some kind of skill. If you're looking for a challenge, I would definitely recommend these. But yeah, so I got to put this thing back together.